So welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Banky Min and this is Banky Update. So right now guys, I make this video concerning this ACNFT, which is a NFT platform where you can buy NFTs and your NFTs increase by 2% daily, 2% daily. So right now, as you can see, I have $19.21 here on my account here, and I purchased an NFT here. So my NFTs are increased by 2% since I purchased it. So right now, guys, I want to make a withdrawal and let's see if this platform is going to pay us. But before I make this withdrawal, let me show you the NFT I purchased. When I click on my collection, you are going to see it there. So this is the NFT I purchased. I purchased it around, I think, okay, I think I purchased it around $9. Yes, $9. $9 to $10. Okay, $10. I think I purchased it around $10. So right now, if you look at it very well, you will see that it has increased to $17.21. So right now, guys, you can see it by yourself. My NFTs has increased. You can check my other video to see when I purchased it, to see how I purchased the NFTs. So right now I want to make a withdrawal on this app. On this app, I want to see maybe they are paying or not. So right now the withdrawal address I'm going to use is USDT. You are going to withdraw to USDT, but before I do that, let me show you something again. This app, you can read about the company information, what an NFT is, why choose NFTs, ACNFT's rules. You can check everything, and the partners and marketing. You can click on marketing also. So when you click on marketing, you will see a list of NFTs that are being on sale right now. You will see a list of NFT that have been on sale. So the list of NFTs that are being on sales right now, you will see them here on the marketing here. These are the NFTs. As you can see, these NFTs initial price is 100 USDT. You can see it that these NFTs has increased to $173. You can see it. So that is how the NFTs work. You can see this NFT, the initial price is $10. It has increased to $12. So that is how it is. That is how it work on this app. So right now their percentage is even dropped to 1.98 percent. So right now let's see. If you want to check NFT preview, the NFT that we are going to release very soon, this is the NFT. We click on NFT preview at the up here. You click on NFTs preview at the top here. So these NFTs here are yet to be published. So immediately they get published, their price will started going up, going up. So if you want to purchase them, you can deposit your money now and get ready as they get listed in few hours. Now they are going to start the selling of all these NFTs you are seeing here. You can still get this one at $20, some $100, some at $20, $20, $100. I think you can still also get some at $10 also. So but the minimum I see right now is $20. Okay, this one is $10. You can still get this one at $10, and your NFTs will be increased by almost 2% daily. So guys, that is how the platform work. If you want to know more about this platform, check the description of this video. You also see a video where I explain everything about the platform. So right now I want to make a withdrawal. Let's see if this platform is going to pay or not. We make a withdrawal of $19. So click on address. As you can see, I have already bind my wallet address here before, so this is it here. This is my wallet address, so click on it. So right now I want to withdraw to you TRC20. This is it. You just click here after you bind your wallet address before. If you have not bind it, you click to bind. So that is it. So right now, now you are going to input your Google verification code, because this is for your safety, for the safety of your account, because there are some people that are hacking people's accounts on this online. So you have to get your Google authentication code to access this place. So let me get my Google authentication code right now. So withdrawal. So I have made the withdrawal now. I've made the withdrawal. So let's go to withdrawal details here. Click on check the details. So as you can see, 18.3 dollars, which is $18.30. So right now, state has been completed. So let's see if I am going to receive this money or not. So let me go to the wallet I make the withdrawal to, which is 18. I'm going to receive $18.3. So let me go there and check. As you can see, guys, 18.3, this is it, 18.3. So guys, as you can see it, this is it, 18.3. I received also this one. I think yes, I have received this one. I received this one from the platform I just make a video concerning right now, which is ChatGPT. So but I have not made the continuation of the video, so I think the money come from ChatGPT. This one come from ChatGPT. This 7.66. So 18.3, this is it here, guys. As you can see, it's automatic. When you make your withdrawal there, you are going to receive the money automatically. Let me make this screenshot so that I can share it to the group also. So that is it. So guys, if you are interested on this ACNFTs, if you are interested on ACNFTs, you can join them. They are doing perfect, they are doing okay, you are doing okay. All you need to do is to click on if you want to purchase their NFT, you click on market down here. Then either you click on you buy from this. If you want to buy from higher price, you can buy from anybody here, you can buy here. Just click on buy, then you buy from any of these people here. You purchase any of their NFT. But if you want to purchase from down, then you have to click on NFT Preview. Newly NFT launched, just click on NFT Preview there. Then find the NFTs you want to purchase. You find the NFTs you want to purchase. Your NFTs increase by 2%. For example, let's say you purchase NFTs of $100, which is this one. It will increase by 2% daily. I think that is $2 daily. It will increase by 2% daily. If you purchase the NFT of $20, it will increase by 2% daily. 2% daily. So that is how it work on this platform. That is how we also see NFT of $10 there. The minimum is $10. So that is how it work on this platform. You can see it by yourself. They are paying. So soon I'm going to redeposit back. I'm going to redeposit back to purchase from lower NFTs again. I'm going to deposit back. So guys, thank you for watching and see you soon. Don't miss this opportunity. This is still going on. I have shared about this quite sometimes now, but I think this platform is okay. You can see how their withdrawal is very fast, everything. So thank you for watching and see you soon on my next video. If you find this video helpful, please hit that subscribing button now, so that anytime I drop another video more or such like this, you will be the first person to see the video notification on your phone screen. Goodbye for now.